Kedam. I am studying in 7th standard. Today is good thought. No pens. Ritika, tell us today's specialty. My name is Ritika Ajabra Mundre. I am studying in 7th standard. Today's specialty. 20 September 2025. Today's specialty RPM Frism Day. Shravani, tell us today's science news.
My name is Shravani Sudhirao Chair. I am studying in 7th standard. Today's science news. इंग्लंड या देशाचे चलन पाऊंड आहे. त्यांचा शोध W.C. रॉल्टेज यांनी लावला.
ते पुस्तकामध्ये tell us today's health news. My name is Renuka Mangesh Kanga. I am studying in 7th standard. Today's हातापायाचे नखे वाढल्यास वेळीच काढावे.
करते
श्रावणी, tell us today's story. My name is Shravani Sudhirao Chair. I am studying in 7th standard. Today's story.